Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you forget the combination to your suitcase lock, like this one here. As you can see, it can't be unlocked. If you forget the code, it can be quite a hassle. Previously, I've shared tips about luggage straps that come with a combination lock. They also use a 3-digit code like this. Today, I'm going to show you what to do if your suitcase has a 3-digit combination lock like this and you forget the code. How can you fix it? Let's take a look. Here's how you do it. We're going to look at the dials from the side like this. Then we'll start turning them. Turn each digit one by one. And you see a spot where there's a deep groove like this. Then move on to the next one. Once you find the deep groove, just like this. You can align the deep groove to the left side if you want. Keep turning it like this. You find it soon enough. See, now we found a deep groove like this. Once you find it like this, if the groove is aligned to the left, go ahead and turn it. Turn it back by 2 notches. Or in other words, 2 digits. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. After you turn it here, try unlocking it. Okay, there you go. It's open now. And that's it. That's how you deal with forgetting the code. You can use this unlocking method. However, the unlocking mechanism might not be the same for every brand, or it could vary a bit between different models. But I think there must be a specific spot that serves as a reference point. In this case, it's the groove, right? It's a deep groove. Simply put, you need to turn it so that the groove lines up in this direction. But since it's on the inside, we can't see it. So we'll look from this spot first. Once we find the groove, we turn it back 2 clicks. That means 2 numbers back. And that number is the code. Just do this for all 3. And once you've done all 3, you'll be able to unlock it. That's all there is to it. And if you want to change the code, I'll make a separate video to show you how to do that. For this video, if you forget your code, you can use this method to unlock your suitcase. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.